What's up, guys? I am finally back in Illinois after a whole month. As you can see, I'm back home. First of all, I haven't even introduced myself. My name is Rolando Perez. This is Alta Clase Auto, and I have great news and I have bad news. Great news, I have a box. That's right, I'm going to be unboxing this later today. So if you're curious to know what's in that box and what is coming today as well, I have another package coming in really soon, hopefully, and I'm going to be showing that to you. Obviously, these are upgrades for my Audi A7. So if you're curious to know that, stay tuned to the last of this video. Right now, I'm going to show you, the bad news first. So let's go outside. I'm going to go fire up my car and I'll show you the bad news. Yeah. Let's go. So, first of all, to notice, this weather is beautiful. We have some green grass after this savage cold weather that hit us at the beginning of the year. But we're here. We're back. Shit, I don't know what this is. I have to get rid of that. So, since my car has been sitting here for a whole month, I don't know if you can see this, but the car is disgusting. It's dirty. Look at my face. Okay, so I just fired up my car, and strangely, the problem that I was going to show you just went away. I kind of assumed that. Hopefully it does not come back. So I'm going to let you know what happened. Since the car has been sitting here for a whole month, it shouldn't make sense that some module would go bad unless I was really driving it. So yesterday, as soon as I fired up the car, I drove it literally like 2 minutes away, and I had the ACC marking on my dash that is not working, the adaptive cruise control. So obviously I couldn't use the adaptive cruise control, I couldn't set up. Also, the bad thing is that it's all connected to my light assist as well. So these lights from my blind spot lights went away as well. So that was kind of annoying. Hopefully it doesn't come back. I assume right now it's working. Gonna have to test it. Hopefully it's just because of the car sitting here and it had no communication with the module howsoever. And I'm hoping, fingers crossed, if that is the problem and does not come back. I was literally already thinking about taking this into the dealership, and obviously it was going to be more money out of my pocket, and that would be bad for me. It would be bad for you. You guys are not going to be getting so much content because of that. But now, hopefully this thing works perfectly fine and I can spend that money in more car parts. So I'm going to take it to the quick wash right now, really fast, just to get all this smug out and get this car looking decent. And we're going to the store and we're going to buy some stuff.
Hello.
Hi. It's just going to be the Express.
Express? Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you. Would you like an air freshener?
Yeah, I'll take them.
Here you go.
Thank you.
And then card neutral.
Guys, the car is all washed up, it's all clean, nice. So yeah, looking fresh. It's all nice. Now I'm gonna go get some food first, and then I'm gonna go to the store. I'm actually gonna go to the hardware store. I'm gonna go look for a kind of I just need like a pole, like a type of breaker bar. Because if you guys saw one of my last videos where I painted my calipers, you guys would know that I still have one caliper pending. That is because I could not take off the tire. The wrench that I get for the lug nuts as OEM on this car is really short, and I just can't do it with that. So I'm gonna go buy a breaker bar, and also it's gonna work for a lot of other jobs that I have to do. And well, it's nice to always have a breaker bar because you always need that for a lot of jobs. So I'm gonna go pick that up to the hardware store. First I'm gonna go get some food, and then I'm gonna go there, and I'm gonna go back home and unveil you guys these parts that I have stored in these boxes. That's really exciting news. More videos, more content for you guys. I'm excited. Let's go. Second stop, food. Yeah, it's Wendy's. Okay, food blog. For the food blog, I got 4 words for you guys. 4 for 4 meal. See what I did there? So, I have the Ace Hardware just across the driving lot, so I'm gonna go right there to look for my next thing on the list for today. So I found what I need right here. This is the perfect size. I got this to test it out. They're gonna cut it for me right now, and I'll be heading back home. That's all I need from here. So I'm just waiting for them to get my tubing cut, and I'll be right back home, guys. I found the right one. Okay, so that was the last of my things to do today. I have my pipe. Luckily I have to buy the whole thing, so I just told them to get me a part cut, and I have the rest of it. So I have no need for that, but I'll just keep it around in case I do. So that's a good thing about having this car like that. Just get the whole thing inside of the car. So now let's head. I'm actually just gonna go for a quick drive, and then I'm gonna go home, see what I can do, and I'm gonna show you guys the car parts that came in today.
So let's sing a song. What can we sing?
Not like the other one. Return to strike my face. Always second place. Tell me again, why is it I never can do anything right? Complicated theories of life.
So there you go, guys. Unboxing time is finally here. you guys can see, I have some engine oil, which I'm going to be using for doing my service on my car really soon, hopefully this week. Got 540 Castrol Edge oil for my car, as always. So this is not an unboxing one because obviously you can see it. But we're going to start with the big box. Yep, let's start with the big box first. Okay, let's see what is in the box. Nothing. Air. More air. There's a lot of air here, guys. So, to start, we have the K&N oil filter, obviously to do the service in my car. There you have it. K&N oil filter for the engine. Oh, I went ahead and ordered a brand new drain plug. This is from ECS. This is a magnetic oil drain plug. So it has a little magnet right here, so you can get all the whatever metallic wear that's going on in the engine. It'll catch it. And let's keep it right here. Also, it's really easy to work with it when you're taking it off. You don't lose the plug in the oil pan as well. The little O-ring. You gotta keep that. And last but not least, in this big box, we have our K&N air filter. There you have it, guys. It's for replacing the OEM air filter in the car. So we're gonna be installing this as soon as I do the oil change as well. Now it's time for the best part, which is the small box. Let's open the small box. Card. Got some more there. Got a sticker. 34 motorsport sticker. And here's the nice thing. So right here we have drivetrain mount inserts. It's totally gonna change the aspect of the feel of the car. I'm really excited about these. So this is one. I have the whole set right here. This one is for the center part of the differential. So that's one of them. This one goes in the transmission mount. Same thing, nothing replacing. Just plug this one in place and make the transmission get reinforced a little bit. There are the two ones from the rear part of the differential. Same situation, these do not replace anything, they just go inside and reinforce the whole thing. I'm going to be making a video on that really soon because I'm really excited to get these installed. One piece, but it's basically a 3-part kit install. I'm really excited about this. So I do have this to do. I have the air filter and I have the engine oil service to do in my car really soon. I'm going to be putting some videos up for that, guys. So you guys better stay tuned. And so yeah, guys, that's it for this video. I'm looking forward to getting all this installed really soon and putting out these videos for you guys. I hope you guys appreciate that and enjoy it. So make sure to subscribe and go check out my Instagram as well for more updates. Yeah, see you guys in the next video. Peace.